garden seems so still, silent leaves sway at the spirit's will. Yet when I draw near, life starts to unfold, a secret world of wonders untold. Caterpillars inching in colorless so bright, moths asleep in the arms of the night. Tiny snails gliding on emerald seas, all designed by God with tender decrees. Oh, the hidden wonders of His hands, every creature dancing in His plans. From leaf to stem, from web to sky, all creation sings His name on high. In every wing, in every crow, God's breath of life sustains them all. Spiders weaving threads of silver grace, centipedes racing in a secret place, flies that shimmer like jewels in the sun, showing His glory when day has begun. Lizards basking in morning's warm light, eyes wide open to the gift of life. Each heartbeat echoes heaven's design, every tiny life a holy sign. Oh, the hidden wonders of His hands, every creature dancing in His plans. From leaf to stem, from web to sky, all creation sings His name on high. In every wing, in every crow, God's breath of life sustains them all. So I lean close to the garden floor, see His miracles forevermore. He clothes the insects, He feeds the small. In His love there's room for all. In silent corners where shadows play, His fingerprints never fade away. From the smallest bug to stars above, all declare His endless love. Oh, the hidden wonders of His hands, every creature dancing in His plans. From leaf to stem, from web to sky, all creation sings His name on high. In every wing, in every crow, God's breath of life sustains them all. Look closer, child, don't rush or roam. In tiny lives you'll find His home. Praise the Maker whose love extends from mighty beasts
As
to
we open our
insects'
eyes
friends.
to the smallest wonders of God's creation, may we remember that His love and care reach every living thing, from the tiniest insect to each one of us. Let us cherish and protect His masterpiece, giving thanks for the hidden miracles that remind us of His endless wisdom and grace.